Got all my tools ready because we're about to head to the junkyard to try and find some seats for the Mk1 Rabbit. We're at the junkyard. Let's see what we can find. That's a Volkswagen Ranger. Leather RX-8 seats, or these ones. Man, that is a hard decision, because I didn't know those other leather ones were here. I was just gonna get these. I never sat in these seats before, so. Now, could I drive in these? Are these comfortable? They're pretty bolstered. It's quite sporty. I'd feel a lot more comfortable in them. As some of you may know, the Rabbit seats are pretty, well, you slip around in them. There's no bolsters at all. These ones feel pretty bolstered. They're just dirty. So maybe leather, I don't know. Or Mk1 GTI seats. See, now, I've had these seats and they're comfortable. I haven't had them in an old car, but they're comfortable. You got your adjustments here, so you can adjust your back arch, and overall they're just really nice seats. But people have done this before. Now, do we want to be like everybody else and put these in? I mean, they look cool, don't get me wrong, but do we want to do the same as others have in the past and are still currently doing? Okay, guys, I did what made the most sense. The leather ones were electric. These are all manual. The seat belts are attached to the seat. Yeah, it's gonna be legit. Now let's go purchase these and see how much they cost. Well, summer's definitely here, guys. Got the AC crank right now. But anyway, we are out of the junkyard. Seats have been acquired. I'm gonna show you the price, the total price of both seats together. And the total price comes out to $71. Look at that. $71. And I got charged a handling fee. I know it means something else probably, but I'm the one that handled the damn thing, so I should be charging them. Anyway, it's freaking hot. I look ridiculous. Not a pretty face, that's for sure. But we're gonna go home and come up with some way to put these in the Rabbit. I will see you guys at the house. Oh, ignore the giant mess. I was renovating my house. But those seats are going to look so dang good in this car. So this is the current seat situation. I guess you could say there is somewhat of a bolster, but after 40 years of being sat on, she's flat. It's quite large in comparison to this seat, the RX-8 seat. And RX-8 seats are much more comfortable, I think. So for the driver's side, I am thinking about using this, and if that works, I'll have to come up with a way to install the passenger seat, but for now, we're just going to try and install the driver's seat. So that works very well, thank goodness. I wasn't sure if that was actually made for the Rabbit. It just came with the car like 2 or 3 years ago, and it works. So now we need to mount that to the driver's seat. I knew I could hear money jingling around in there. Almost made my money back. So next step, I need to cut these little arms off. These are where they mount up to the RX-8. And I just need a flat rail. So I gotta get rid of that one, and that one, and whatever that is. As much as that sucks, cutting off all those little teeny stupid ass brackets, excuse my French, it's gonna be worth it. I hope. I'm praying that this is gonna be worth it. So right now I am just mocking up this thing, make sure that everything's gonna line up. I'm gonna paint these rails to avoid rust. But yeah, I'm gonna install this, and then we'll install it in the car, hopefully. And God, I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, the big reveal. Look at how much better those look. You're sitting lower. You're more in tune with the car. You're not sitting on leather, slipping, sliding around. But you sit in the car. I don't know how to explain it, but there's a feeling you get when you sit in an old seat, and it feels like you're in a death trap, if I'm being honest. Now I am firmly in place, like these were made for my butt, and I'm stuck. I'm stuck in place, other than not wearing a seatbelt. With these, you take a turn and you're holding on for dear life. It's harder to run through the gears when you're slipping and sliding around. It's harder to turn, and some of you may know what I'm talking about. It's hard to explain, but this thing is so dang cool. I can adjust it easily. I can raise the seat if I want. I could go low. If there's one thing Mazda had right about the RX-8, it was the seat. Now, I've gone online and tried to find if anybody else has done this, and as far as I know, I'm the only one. So that's pretty cool. Probably see my crazy ass hair in the reflection, but look at that. Like, look at that compared to what I was sitting on. Ugh. This is sexy. Well, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if this is something that you would do, and let me know if you've seen anybody else do this. I've seen one video where someone put them in a 74 Volkswagen Beetle, but I couldn't find one for a Rabbit. Yeah. I can't finish the other side today because I need to custom fab up a bracket to put this seat in there, but I will do that off camera. You guys will see both seats in here eventually. I just really wanted to show you guys this because I'm about to have a busy weekend, And yeah, I'm not gonna be able to upload any other content that I would have liked to do. So I got off work early. It's Friday, and I figured, hey, I'm gonna work on the car and I'm gonna make a video for you guys. I will catch you guys in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.